Hello, this is Dhruv Panchal talking behalf of the team of our short film Lali. I am writer and the cinematographer of the film. Also, Jia Bhatt, who played the lead role Lali, also joining us.
Namaste. Welcome to 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival 2021.
So, for the idea of our short film Lali, when we were researching on a subject of social awareness, we found an article from Miss Aditi Gupta, who runs an NGO called Menstrupedia for menstruation awareness. That article was really heart touching, and we thought menstruation awareness is not much of a subject in our country. And after researching on that subject, we found really horrifying numbers on how girls are not able to study because of this, and because of this all the myth we have in our society. That was our main drive to write a short film on this subject. So after finalizing this subject, it was really tough for us to write on this subject as a man, because this is a subject of sensitivity and emotions of women, and we are so thankful to women around us who talked to us openly on this and shared their experiences, and we really got confident after that. It was really hectic to manage everything from outside the country. When it comes to financial resources or any resources, we are so thankful to our producers who believed in this story and believed in us that will make it possible. When we decided to shoot this film in a small village, we thought it could go wrong, because this subject is matter of sensitivity, especially in a society like this. But surprisingly, the whole village really helped us through the whole process of shooting, and that is a blessing for us. This short film Lali turned out much better from what we expected when we were writing this. It's especially because the director's vision and all the performances from the actors, they were really good, and the creativity and the efforts from the team that really helped us made it possible. When we decided to make a film on this subject, we also decided that we'll spread this message throughout this film via multiple platforms all around the globe. So that is our plan, and hope will success and people get the message. Who could say much better why you should watch this film other than the lead character of our film, Jia Bhatt.
ये शॉर्ट फिल्म आपको ज़रूर देखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि 21st सेंचुरी होने के बावजूद भी ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह है जहाँ पर गर्ल्स का एजुकेशन स्टॉप करवाया दिया जाता है जब उनके पीरियड स्टार्ट होते हैं। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली ये ऐसा एक टाइम होता है जहाँ पर उनको लव और वार्मथ की ज़रूरत होती है और सबसे ज़्यादा केयर की ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन तब भी उनको सेपरेट कर दिया जाता है इन द नेम ऑफ रिचुअल्स। सो ये फिल्म मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली अवेयरनेस जगाती है लोगों में। सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली वॉच द शॉर्ट फिल्म।
From the whole team of Lali, we are so thankful to Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival to give us a platform for our film, and especially during these times, please stay safe and take care. Thank you.